Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network. On the application of Strava, we click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Strava app and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working with you, then we'll update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.